Hi, this is Mary Yaksh from the A-List Blogger Club. I want to show you something today, something really simple, and that is how to keep your motivation up through knowing exactly how your blog is going, who is visiting you, which post is doing really well, which one could be better. So, the way to do that is to track your stats. There are many different stats programs, for example Google Analytics, which is wonderful. It's complicated. You can know absolutely everything. But I think for most bloggers, it's much too difficult. Let's keep it easy. Let's keep it simple. And so what I want to show you is how to install WordPress.com stats. Now, it's very straightforward except for one simple thing, and that stops many people in their tracks. And so I'm going to step you through just little step by little step, and you'll see it's really easy once you know how to do it. Now, it's important to understand that this particular stats program works with WordPress, with WordPress.org, which is a self-hosted version, which is really the best option to aim for, or WordPress.com, which is like a blog that is hosted by WordPress. So let's go to your WordPress dashboard. I'm on my test blog at the moment, and so I'm going to install the plugin. So here on the left-hand side, you'll see on the dashboard it says Plugins. Click on Add New. And here's a search function, so I'm going to put in WordPress Stats. Search. Okay. Scroll down a little and you'll see here it is, WordPress.com Stats. Install now. Alright, so I'm going to activate the plugin. Okay, and here we come to the difficult part, because here it says WordPress.com stats needs attention. Please enter an API key or disable the plugin. That's the rub. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So we need to find the API key. API stands for Application Programming Interface. I actually had to look that up because I've been using API keys for nearly 3 years now, but I never knew what it stands for. And that's just a little tip for me to say, don't worry your pretty little head about details like that. It's totally unimportant. I just had to know it for you guys. So, to find your API key, you need to sidetrack a little bit. So what you need to do is you need to have a WordPress.com blog. It's very simple to set up, and you only really need it for the API key. So here I am. I'm on WordPress.com. And I'm going to sign up for a blog. Obviously, I've already got one there. I don't ever use it, but I need it for the API key. So here I am. I'm going to sign up now. So my blog name goes in here. Blog Hero 123. Okay, username. Blog Hero 123. Password. Confirming my password. In my email address. Click on sign up. An email has been sent to writeitdown@gmail.com to activate your account. Okay, so I'm going to go there now. Okay, I'm nearly there. Here's the email from WordPress, and I'm going to open that. Okay. So I've got to click this link to activate my blog. Now here's the kicker. As soon as I activate my account, I'm going to get another email, which is here now. So here is the email, the second one from WordPress.com. And if you scroll down, you'll see it says your WordPress.com API key allows you to use services like Akismet and, as I'm showing you, WordPress.com stats. And here is your API key. So please copy that. And we'll go right back to the site in order to put it into the plugin. Okay, I'm back on my site and back in the plugins. And here it says, remember it said WordPress.com stats needs attention. Please enter an API key or disable the plugin. So I'm going to click on this link and enter the API key. And then I'm going to click on Add Blog to WordPress.com. And I'm just going to allow administrators to view the stats. But what about if you have a WordPress.com account already, because maybe you had one when you first started out blogging, but you just can't find that API key. I'll show you how to find it. Okay, so I'm on my WordPress.com account, and I'm going to find this API key. So the first thing I need to go is to my account and go to Global Dashboard. Click on that. Save. Okay, now scroll down to Profile. Click on that. And here it says, were you looking for your API key and other personal settings? Okay, so all you need to do is click on that link and you will be taken directly to your API key. All you need to do now is to copy that link and go back to your plugin settings. So I've now gone to Write-to-Done to show you what the plugin looks like when it's in action. So you need to go to the dashboard of your blog and scroll down to Blog Stats. Click on that. So here you can see the stats. Each day you can determine exactly how your blog post is doing, how many people visited, where they came from, and so on. You can scroll down and you can get all the information. For example, here I can see that I got people from Zen Habits, from Stumble Upon, from Facebook, and so on. And so this is very, very important information. And it's fun. It's good. You can know exactly where you're at. Here I can see exactly how many views each particular article had. Some of these are newer articles and some are older. And you can see they're still going, which is great. So I think this is a wonderful plugin. Try it and you'll see it's fun, it's great, it gives you information, and it makes you a better blogger. This is Mary Yaksh from the A-List Blogger Club.